Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change a font size in Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, what you need to do is you need to simply go ahead and change the settings from your phone itself. What is the thing is that when you change your settings, display setting and the font setting on your mobile, Facebook also adapts it. For example, I'm going to go ahead go to my settings on my iOS, and I'm going to go ahead go to display section, and I'm going to go to the text size, and I'm going to make it bigger. And once the size has been bigger, I'm going to go back, and when I access Facebook, text will be enlarged automatically. And then you can go ahead go to settings again, and you can adjust it again, and it will your Facebook will automatically adapt that as well. Now that's how you will be able to change a font size in Facebook, and it also works for Androids as well. All you have to do is change the font size of your entire phone, and that way your Facebook font size will also change. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.